Gaming. Hello. Who up gaming? What am I saying? Yeah, damn. My throat is so dry, oh my god. I had to mute because it was really bad. God damn. Oh, I think I'm fine though. I need to hold on. Give me a second. I know what is it peaking? Am I peaking? Is it really loud? I hope not. Hold on. Hold on. I hope. There we go. Perfect. Mm-hmm. Hell yeah. Now we can start. Wow, this one is really good. The monster, which one is it? Monarch. I forgot how like nice it is. It's pretty good, yes. Anyways, today, um let's see. I was going to continue the planet shader that we left off yesterday, or whenever I streamed last time. And then oh yeah, and then I had to fix some things which I did. I did some mining off camera, you know, and I had to fix a thing where if I rotated a sprite, what would happen is that if there was a light casting from one side, and I rotated this, let's say, right, like this, then the direction would stay the same as if it wasn't rotated. And that's not what we want, of course. So, you know. So yeah, I had to fix that. Now it's all good, I think. So, oh, digital friends, hell yeah. So like if I rotate this, now it's like correct, you know? Yeah, it looks good. It looks correct now. Now the other thing that I was gonna fix is because I had to fix that, nothing or I wanted to move the custom light functions into the built-in light function because I thought we would be using our own light functions that I wrote in the shader, but we won't because we won't have to. We'll be using the directional lights instead, which are built in, which use the light function here. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna move this thing basically into here in a way where it actually like works. Not everything, but like most of it at least. I hope the mic is not too loud. Hopefully, it should be fine. Yeah, and then when that's done, I will go and do the planet shaders and then gas giants and then we'll see if I don't think I'm gonna do it today, but I would like to start doing the multiplayer code, or rather I would like to make a player ship and then start doing the multiplayer stuff like Steam and whatever, right? But we'll see. Sadly, Berezak is not here for a week, which means he's not going to be working on the system spawning, the map, the arena spawner, because that's his thing. So that's gonna be interesting to test, but that's okay. I have a lot of stuff to do anyways. So anyways, oh yeah, I was gonna change this from pixel art to normal, or not pixel art, but like pixelated. There we go. Hey, that looks way better. It's still, I think it's still getting something is pixelated. I don't know what is. Oh, everything else except the... Okay, I see. We don't need these, so let's just get rid of them. Can I? Yes, I can. There we go. So now they should be smooth, yep. Now they look ugly when I zoom in, but we will figure that out later. I'm sure it's gonna be fine. Because... Or maybe I will keep it like it was, who knows. For now I'm gonna keep it like this and then we'll decide later. Because it looks good like this, but then as soon as you start zooming in, then it's not great. But that's fine, I guess. Anyways. What was I gonna do? Oh yeah, this thing, yeah, right. Also, I have to test it, because last time I didn't test everything, and I can't really test everything, because for that I would need the ship or something, because the ship would have everything, I think, like from the maps that we use. It would have a tint, it would have, so like the base color, the paint, or whatever you want to call it. Then it would have a roughness map or specular map, whatever, which would be for the windows. They would be like reflective and stuff like that. And then, oh, and it's metal, so it would be reflective, or more reflective than a rock, for example. Then it would have a normal map, because, you know, it has to. It would be flat otherwise. And then the emissive map, ambient occlusion will be there as well, because I didn't test any of those because I couldn't. So I don't even know if they work, and I won't be able to test until I have those, because I need to test everything at once, unless I make some sort of like custom texture that I could test it on, but I don't know if I have something like that. So I think I will have to wait, or something. I don't know. Who knows? We'll see. But for now, I will test it individually and see if I didn't fuck up. And hopefully I didn't, because that would be really bad. So, but first we need to move everything into this function instead of having it here. It's probably just going to be a bunch of copy pasting. But I still need to fix a few things, like the ambient color. Where is it? Ambient light color, there it is. Because this is not supposed to be an additive, it's supposed to be a multiplicative light, which means just that it's gonna color everything one color, or tint everything into that color, I guess, whatever you wanna call it. But yeah, that's the plan, I guess. Well, for now, the only reason my lights work, like this blue one, is because I'm using a very simple calculation here, which is just Lambertian, which takes into account the normal, and that's it, pretty much. at the light direction. And we already have these two. And the way I did it before was that I calculated my own normal. But the issue with that is that this normal already has the rotation, like the inverse of the rotation in it, like in the calculation, which means I can do this. And it's still going to look correct, like the shadows and the lights here. Yeah, the shadows and the, yeah, whatever. That thing. It looks correct. It rotates the light correctly. The direction is correct. Otherwise, I would have to put it in every single frame manually and whatever, and it would be pain. And I don't think I would be able to do that anyways. Or no, I could actually, but for every single object, that would be pain. So I did it this way instead. I just set the normal map like this. I don't know why I didn't do it that way before, honestly. Like the planet shader has the same thing, sphere normal, but now in the new one I replace it with the normal, and this has to be a normal map, not normal, so I have to fix that as well later. But yeah, I'm gonna fix that later when I'm done with porting this over here. And yeah, so I think I'm just gonna do that and then start from, or not start from scratch, but like just copy the whole thing and see what we can yoink from it, pretty much. Because the only reason why I'm even doing this is because I want emissive colors. Like I want a color that shines no matter how dark it is, and that's not possible with the default Godot lighting engine, not that I know of anyways. So because usually you would use canvas modulate, and we can't do that if we want emissive materials, so like lights or jet, like what is it called, jet vents or something like that on our ships or whatever. Lights are probably like the most used. Like if I have a blinking light on my ship, I would not be able to see it, even if it's emitting light, technically. Like not an actual light, but just an emissive light, which is different from an actual light. Because an emissive light doesn't react to the environment. It's just bright, and that's it. Like it doesn't cast light onto stuff. I don't know what it's called, but it's like self shading, self lit something. I don't know, but yeah, that's how it works in every single engine. So that's what I was gonna do here because we needed it. Because otherwise it would look really bad, in my opinion. I don't know why that's not a thing. I guess I can see it, but still, it's like, I don't know. We're doing something very specific, so I get it, I guess. But yeah. How is this? Oh yeah, right, because, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna quickly do this. Specular, that's fine. I don't even know if this all works. Where's my ambient occlusion? Do I not use ambient occlusion? Oh no, I do. Wait, do I? Oh yeah, I do, okay. Oh, right, because it... Oh, wait, what? Oh, right. Because I wanted it to be reactive. Right. I remember. Yo, hello. How's it going? Yeah. Yeah, okay.
Mr. Lasimbali is programming.
Mr. Lasimbali. Yes, that is me. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do this stuff. I think the emissive map will just be in the RGB because that's where the what is it called? The ambient light would be. I think that's. We'll see. We'll see. I have it on Git, so it should be fine. Hopefully, I'm sure nothing will go wrong, right? Oh wow, that looks so bad without like the bumps and shit. That's so funny. Okay, hold on. We'll fix it and then I'm gonna show you what we're working on. How are you doing, by the way? How's it going? Fresnel, inversion, that's fine. Specular. Yep. Specular color. Light color, that's what it is. Wait, but why only light color? Why not the intensity as well? I'm gonna make a comment. What is it called? Light energy, that's what it is. Okay. Light color. Maybe add light energy. Or maybe multiply with light energy 2? Or something like that. Who knows? Oh yeah, we need RGB. I think that's what the issue was. Where is light color? Is that just like something that I had as a... Oh yeah, I did. Every Counter-Strike player just is pointing at their screen being like, oh my god, I know that song. Alright. And light processor function is incorrect. Oh yeah, right, because we are now returning. We are instead setting the light RGB to equal whatever this is. This is gonna be... Yeah, this is not gonna work, okay. That's fine, because we are missing the light color alpha. It works, kind of. Not really. It doesn't work great, I don't think. It's gonna look like ass though. I need to get rid of these things somehow. I was preparing some stuff for driving school and I have a really good feeling about it. Nice. That's good. Does Godot has its own coding language? Yes. So this is not the coding language that Godot uses. This is GLSL, which is for a shading specifically for like shaders for graphics programming. But the scripting language here for coding on, just normal coding, it's a GDScript, but you can use C# if you want instead. But this is specifically GDScript and it's very, very, very similar to Python, I would say. So, like the closest thing that you could compare it to is Python, I would say. So, yeah, but this is something else. The thing that I have here is GLSL. This is specifically for like shaders and stuff. I'm gonna show you in a bit, but I just want to fix this real quick. But GDScript is really, really easy. Like, it's insanely easy to learn. So, if you're thinking about learning it, you should do it. It's really easy. Okay, so why is this not gonna work? Because it's stupid. That's why. Let's do light RGB equal light color. Oh no, diffuse color. Wait. Why are we doing it this way? I don't think this is correct. Because diffuse color would be just... Oh, I guess so, yeah, this is just this, basically. Light color, light energy, albedo, and lambertion. Yeah, albedo, lambertion, light color, and then light energy. So that's the diffuse, I guess. And then... How would that look? I want to see. Yeah, okay, yeah, we're getting somewhere. I think I need to get rid of this first, though. Because the combined lights is fucking me over really badly right now. I'm gonna get rid of all of this. Color RGB equals... Well... It would be this, no? Wait, I don't think we... Give me a second, I need to look at something real quick. Let me check my old project, how I did it there, because... I might have done it, like, differently there. What did I do? So here I did the albedo. That's not how... is it how you spell that? I don't know. So this is just the thing itself and then minus ambient occlusion. Right. Okay. And then everything else was here. That makes sense. And diffuse, was it? Why is it like called different things? I hate that. But there's color, which is basically what we have. So I guess that makes sense. All right. I will close this. And I'll go back here. This is what we need. All right. You think that Roblox video code language is easy? I think it is even if I didn't really code that much, but the system seems pretty understandable and simple, I guess. Well, Lua is not a Roblox thing. Lua is just a normal language, but I don't know how Roblox implements it. I've never made Roblox games. Lua's Lua is a simple language. Well, let's just say that. But you can only do so much. I mean, I guess that applies to everything. I don't know. I have not worked in Lua much, so I have no clue. Alright, we need the albedo texture samples as our... Oh wait, no, we can just do this. Color equals albedo texture samples, right? I think. Yeah, pretty much. Oh yeah, right, because I'm doing the ambient occlusion here. We'll see about that. We'll see. Should be fine though. Anyways, this should work now. Yep, now we see a very flat image once again. Why is that? Because I'm doing diffuse, that's why. Okay. Instead of that, I think... I mean, technically we don't have to do this. We can just do color because we're already setting it here. So we can just do color RGB. And then that should work. I think. I don't know if that's gonna work, we'll see. Let's see if that's how that is done here. Yeah, pretty much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's pretty much the same thing that I did. Is it gonna work? No. Why? Because I'm stupid, that's why. I see. And then the final color will be diffuse and the specular and then alpha. Right. Diffuse. Was it plus? I think it is, right? Oh my god, I have so many. Where is this? There we go. So, yeah, basically this. Diffuse, specular, and then alpha. Is that gonna work? No, why not? Why is it not working? Is it because I... No, that can't be. No, that's still there. Huh. Oh no, it does work. It's just very... Wait. Oh, no, it does work. It's just bright as fuck, that's why. So we need to do times ambient light color, RGB. RGBA? No. Yeah, sure. That color is probably fine. Oh, but then everything is gonna be black. That's an issue. Oh, fuck, wait. That's really bad. Hmm. Because my idea was that this way we could do emissive stuff as well. So like we could do plus emissive map sampled RG or yeah, emissive strength. Right. No, actually I don't think I need to do that, but I don't think that's gonna work. Something tells me that's not gonna work. Oh no. That is really bad. Hmm. Hmm. Maybe... No. I was gonna say maybe it's because I'm doing this twice, but I don't think that's it. Oh, right. Wait, maybe I do have to use the albedo texture RGB because this is already taking in everything else and we don't want that. We only need the default. Yeah, there we go. That's way better. That's already so much better. Now, is it actually working? It looks like it because it's not taking into account the lava. Like it's still as bright. So like if I crank the soldier boy, hell yeah, I think it works. It's still going to be as bright as whatever. So if I do like 400, okay, that's too much. Let's do like 50. Yeah, 20. Yeah, that's good. I think it works. Maybe. Actually, I don't know. We'll need to see and test, but seems like it, at least. I'm gonna have to sneeze. Oh my god. Oh, that was so bad. That was not even a sneeze. I was like, as I was saying it, I coughed and sneezed at the same time, so I didn't even sneeze. Oh my god, that was really bad. Oh, hold on. That was like a half sneeze, not even a quarter of a sneeze. Anyways, I don't know if this works, honestly. It certainly looks like it, because what we want to see is... I wish I had like a before and after picture, god damn it. Because now I can't tell. So if one thing that I want to see, if I change the ambient color, let's save it before I do that. Let's do... Okay, let's do white. That is not correct. That does not look correct. I don't think. Does it? I don't know, actually. I don't think it is correct. Hold on. I think it's because of this. Or maybe not, actually. Let's see. Oh no, it was. For sure. Because if I get that there, now it's very exposed. And I think it's because it's taking... No, is it? Wait. Oh no, maybe it's not. I can't tell, actually. I have to take a screenshot or something. Let's open paint.net real quick. I want to see what the values are. Let's make a new one. Oh, I should have... I'm gonna do this way. There we go. Because this way I can actually like look at the same spot. All right. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, for sure. It's 100% grayer. If I look at this specific pixel, it's this, and then here, it's much darker. Yeah. That's not what we want. We want we want both of them to be the same. So I think it's because I'm actually just adding it. But my question is it because... No, that just does it by default. Hold on. How do I do this shit? I should not be able to... Oh, wait, no, I think I know why. Would that mean that the more... What the fuck? Oh, whoops. Yeah, it should look like that, not whatever this is. If I put this to emissive strength, more and more, it's gonna... Everything is gonna be white, which is not what I want. This is really bad, basically. This should happen if I get rid of this. Oh wait, no, I get rid of this. Oh, it's still bad. Why? What? What? That makes no sense though. Hold on. Oh, wait a minute. I think I figured it out. Because HDR is a piece of shit. And is multiplying the alpha wrong, I think, or something. Let's see if that's actually true. If I add the multiplication now, so if I do ambient light color. Oh yeah, for sure. 100%. That sucks though, because now I have to think about that too. I mean, I already am, but I shouldn't have to. That sucks. Is my mic loud, by the way? I don't know if I asked. Alright, let's see if I change the... So this is technically the same thing, but because alpha is... Like, it can be more than 1, then it does this, and it fucks up everything, so... This is more correct. That's what we want anyways. Did I forget something? No, I didn't. Okay. Let's see if I go here and I turn it. Oh yeah, that works for sure. So if I now put it to... Oh no, wait, I hate this. It's still not fixed, okay. So if I do this, yo, let's go. All right, let's do the real test, and that is if it's white and we get rid of the emissiveness, like that. Oh wait, no, first we need to check if it actually affects the rocks, and no, it does not look like it affects the rocks. No, it doesn't. Nice, that's good. Second of all, what did I have it as? 1? It was 1? Okay. Right, I was gonna see if I get rid of the emissiveness. Is it the same as if I just put a texture next to it? It looks like it, honestly. Let's put it on top. Oh yeah, 100%. That's so nice. You know what that means? It works. Wow. Cool. I'm happy about that. So now what that means is if we go here and we set this to black, we can still have the glowy bits glowing however much we want. It looks kind of ugly though, but I think that's not the issue of yeah, that's the issue of HDR colors conversion. I'll have to fix that as well. That's kinda not great. Texture looks nice though, like that. Like what? But like white when it's like not lit. Also, I didn't make this. I just downloaded something to test with because I needed something that glows. So I was like, oh, lava. Yeah, sure. That's the first thing that I just downloaded that. It's not gonna be in the game, but we'll have our own. Like you have it right now. Yeah, so this is what's happening is I'm trying to basically have a material that has the ability to glow in some parts, like lava would glow, right? So I can like change how much it glows and stuff like that. Or not, to not glow at all, and then only be visible where there's light, right? So if I do that, now you can see that it doesn't glow at all. Keep in mind this is all 2D, there's no 3D involved at all. Not a single 3D node in sight. That's pretty cool, I think. But it works, hopefully. I actually don't know, because I don't know if the specular will work. Because we didn't test that yet. But we'll see. Apparently it does, because we are already using a specular. I didn't know. I'll have to test it though, correctly. Anyways, if I rotate this, is it gonna be correct? Yes. It will. I think so. Yeah. Yeah, so it reacts to light because of this texture. Yeah. So then I can have directional light. It's very hard to see with the lava glowing. There we go. That's better. So with no light and then one starlight, let's make it like brighter. So if this was like, I don't know, orange or something, it would look like this. Yeah. And then point lights look like this. RGB, yo. Wow. I don't know, it seems to be working, but I don't trust it. I'll have to figure out stuff. At least this is fixed with the ambient light color, so if we want the overall color to be green or something, then we can do that. Now the default color is green, that is shaded. So if I turn off the lights, that's how that works, or looks, right? But I'm probably gonna keep it black because there's no need for that. It's pretty much just for testing. Okay. Is there anything that I forgot? I don't think so. I can probably just get rid of this. No, I don't want to install drivers right now, thank you very much. Oh, ambient occlusion. Right, we'll need to fix, or we'll need to see if it works or not. Oh, and then this doesn't work anymore, so we can comment it out. Or what is this? Oh, it's the same thing, I think, or something. I don't remember. But this can go bye-bye. Diffuse color, specular color. Is that what I am doing? Yes, okay. This one. Oh yeah, this whole thing actually. No, actually, oh no, okay, I got it here. Nice. So we don't need these anymore. I don't think. Does it still work? Yeah. So if I make a new light, let's make it like green or something. Oh yeah, no, that works. Sure. I like how it looks like it's like going inwards because of how the texture is. That's funny. Perfect. All right. What is this playlist? I said it's apparently a house mix. This is not a house mix. Where's my funny? Hell yeah. There we go. All right. I play this every single stream because this is just a banger. I don't know. Hell yeah. All right, we need what is this? Don't I use this? Why is this in why do I have this as a varying if I only use it here? Interesting. I don't need this. Oh, is it VEC 4? Yeah. Why is normal map here? It's like alone. Oh yeah, right, because it has to be. Wait, why do I have this here? What? What am I doing? This doesn't have to be here. Yeah, there we go. Cool. And then we need ambient occlusion, because I forgot about that. How do we test this? I think I'm gonna port the old textures. The pipe, or whatever this is. That's pretty reflective, I would say. We could use the pipe as well. Oh yeah, we need to use the pipe because it has ambient occlusion. Oh wait, but then that's not gonna work because yeah, no, we need to get a new one. All right. I don't know, free textures. Ambient CG. Um, really metals. Oh no, these ones are not gonna have ambient occlusion. I don't think. Will they? Render, please. Why is it so slow? What the fuck? Thank you. The seam, that is funny. Oh, because it's displacement. Right. Oh wow. There we go. I don't think these will have ambient occlusion, honestly. I really don't think so. There's no reason for them to have ambient occlusion. Hmm. I could use the pipe, but the thing is, like, I would have to make a new thing for it. Because the way I have it set up is kind of scuffed. Dog moment. Give me a second. I'll be back. You can look at this for now. Where's my... Well, actually, I'm gonna show you my star. There you go, you can look at this for now. I'll be back. Hello, I'm back. Alright. Does it look different, or did I just forget how it looks? I feel like the thing is way thicker. I might be going crazy. I'll have to check. Anyways, where's this? I don't need that. What the fuck was I doing again? Oh yeah, I was gonna test the ambient occlusion. How do we do that? Is the question. Because I would need to make... Oh no, I wouldn't. Wait, no, would I? I would, actually, never mind. I could extract... No, I will have to do that. Okay. I'm gonna do it this way. Photo P. And let's add a... I don't know where these things are, honestly, the renders. So I'm just gonna yank it from here. And it's this one, I think. Yeah. Oh, wow, that's very sensitive for some reason. What? Why is it so scuffed? What the hell? Anyways. Phallic, real. It's a pipe. What do you mean? Okay, we need... Which one was it? Blue? Oh yeah, this one is ambient occlusion. And then we have whatever this is and whatever this is. I don't know what these are. I think one of them is specular and one of them is roughness. But I don't know which one is which. So I think this one is the one that we want to use, not this one. Or actually, I don't know. I think this one is the one we need to use, yeah. Because the less, like, the darker it is, the less shiny it is, I'm pretty sure. I think. I'll need to check, hold on. I don't remember what I did, actually, hold on. Where's the specular? Yeah. So the whiter it is, the shinier it is. Okay, then we are using this one. Oh wait, I don't want to dox myself, hold on. Export PNG. Oh wait, but that exports the whole thing. I just want one channel. How do I do that? Export only one channel. Photopy. Is there no way to actually do that? That's stupid, no? Hold on. Quick mask mode simply turns into selection into an independent channel. This is enabled together with all the color channels. Right, but how do I actually, like, you know, use this channel as the RGB one? Can I even do that? I don't even know if I can do that, honestly. Yeah, I'm not sure. Alt click a layer mask to enable it and turn off other channels. Okay. Okay, but I that's all great, but how do I only export one of them? What? This is confusing. I don't get it. If it's... Huh? What? Blending options? No. I don't think that's it. Oh, there we go. Hell yeah, that's what I needed. And we need the blue one and the green, or the red one, right? Yeah. Give me these ones, and that's where we're gonna use it. I wish I could... Oh, can I? Nah, I'm just gonna use it this way and then export them individually, probably. For now, at least. So, let's do that, I guess. Um, export. Oh yeah, now I need to do this. Hold on. Where is it? There we go. But it's not... Well, it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna use one of the channels. Anyways. Okay, save. Let's call it pipe AO. AO. There we go. Exports. Where was it? Where did it save? Oh, okay. Delete later. I'm just gonna call that. Give me a second. Let's do the red one. Export as PNG pipe specular. Or shininess, whatever you want to call it. All right. Let's see if it works. So we need the actual color. I'm gonna put it in a pipe folder. There we go. Oh yeah, and I had a... Right, hold on. I need to do something real quick. We need to make this brighter. Was it exposure? Where is it? Adjustments, exposure. That's probably fine. It's a lot, but should be okay. Yeah. So we can actually see the colors. Okay, my music, where is it? Just gonna play this. No, I won't. What should I play? I don't know. Let's see. I guess I could do this one. But I don't want to though. I don't know what kind of music I should listen to. I don't know. What is a good game with the good music? I'm gonna, you know what? I'm gonna play this. Where is it? Hell yeah. Bangers. Hold on. I need to export this shit. Export as PNG. Hype. Color. Or, yeah, sure, color. Ever after. I will do that after. It's probably quiet. Where the fuck is my... There it is. Alright. The gaming. Let's get rid of this and then let's actually do stuff. Okay. Let's test it. Let's get rid of whatever this is for now. Actually, no, I'm gonna get rid of this, and then we will do a funny. Alright, so technically, where is my... There it is. If I put all of these in here, technically I should be able to do stuff. Oh, and the normal map, of course. I will just have to rename it to something else. Alright, let's rename it to Hype Normal. Alright. We have our textures. Epic Gaming. Now, what was I gonna do? Test the thing, right? So let's put it here. It's very small. Why is it so small? I mean, I guess it is small. Let's put it on to this twice the size then. And let's put it in here. So this looks disgusting right now, because that's not how it's supposed to look. I will make it even bigger, actually. Let's do 3. 2.5. Sure. Right. So, color. Ugly. I hate it. So let's make it better. Let's make it better by clicking one button. That's how I basically made it work. So if we save it, we go to material and we put the actual main shader.gd shader on it. Boom. Now you can't see shit anymore. And that's because if we do that, why is it green? Oh yeah, right, because I was just saying. Right, hold on. Let's not make it green, maybe. If I make it white, wow, it's the same color that it was before, but we don't care about that. Because we care about light. Wow, it works, I think. But it's very ugly still. It's very ugly and I hate it. So, let's make it better. Let's add a normal. Now, it should already look way better, yep, and it sure does. Because the light actually, you know, does things that a light should do. And the height should also depend on it, yep. That's pretty cool. And then let's put a specular on it. Where's my specular map? There it is. Boom. And let's put an ambient occlusion map on it. Boom. And now let's see if it works. So if I do this, which the ambient occlusion shouldn't do anything, but that seems to be working fine. Now the specular is the one that is going to be an issue because I have no way of testing if it actually works or not. But it doesn't look like it is, honestly. That's an issue. Why is it not working? This shouldn't do anything. Yep, that's correct. Oh, I see. Wait, but what the fuck are these things? What is that? It looks ugly. I don't think it works. I'm gonna be honest with you. I do not think it's working, honestly. And that's pretty bad. That's really bad, actually. Why the fuck is it not working? Actually, I don't know if it's not working or not, but I would think it's not working. Because if it was, then we would be seeing like reflections and shit. And we're not seeing that. There's one way to fix, or there's one way to test it. Wait, I think I know actually. Wait, no, because this would, yeah. Wait, maybe? Where's my specular? Oh no, that's correct. Oh, interesting. No, but that would make sense, I think. How would I even test this, honestly? Like, I have no clue how I would even test this stuff. I guess we can bring in the ball as well, the sphere. But but then I would have to do this shit again. What kind of intensity is there actually? Hold on. 1. That makes sense, honestly. Now I want to see if it actually works or not. So is it? Do I do it in light? Okay. Interesting. What the fuck was I on about when writing that shit? Okay. Let's so the ambient occlusion is not gonna do anything, but the specular would be, but it's not. I don't know why. That's very strange. And I think it's because I have these two the other way around, but we'll see, I guess. All right, let's get the specular color and nothing else. I said nothing else. There we go. Oh no, it seems to be working, kind of. But not really. Let's crank it up a bit. Oh yeah, no, it's for sure doing something, but I don't think it's correct. Maybe it's because of this? Oh yeah, okay. So this is how sharp the specular is. And then I wish I could like I should probably rename this because yeah. But this sucks though because the I guess 0.5 or 0.4 would be the best, but like that looks really bad. I don't know. I mean, I guess it works, but like, I'm not sure because, yeah, I don't know. It has to be very bright for it to work, that's the thing. I don't know if I like that, honestly. Like if it's just like 4.25 or something, it looks like this. That's not correct, you know? So I think I'm gonna switch it around. And I'm gonna do specular strength, or the map sampled here, and then specular strength. I don't know if that's gonna be better, honestly. Where's the point lights? Yeah, I don't know. That looks really bad still. I mean, I guess it works better because of the reflections. Yeah, I don't know. It just looks weird. What the fuck? I'm not doing something correctly. Let's just say that much. Where's my heights? There it is. Yeah, it looks weird. Also, it's the other way around, I'm pretty sure. Is it? Now I can't tell anymore. No, I don't know. Something is not right. Like, this just looks wrong. Like, why is this black? That makes no sense. Yeah, I don't know. Like, if I put this back, it's just gonna look like ass. Yeah. It looks really bad. But why is that, is my question. Is it because I actually have it the other way around or something? But that wouldn't make any sense. It's because I have to do this. No, that makes literally no difference. Sick. Well then. That is pretty bad. No, but it has to be correct because of this. But then here it looks like shit for some reason. What the fuck? Oh, I'm a dumbass. That's why. Because it was not. It was not. Yeah, okay. I'm dumb. Oops. Yeah, that makes sense because it wouldn't return any light. So let's put it at 90 as it was before. Now we can see the reflection. Nice. Cool. Is that correct though? Is my question. I mean, it is a pipe and it's very shiny, but I don't know. No, but it makes sense, I think, because normally what you would do is you would have these the other way around as I did. The issue with that is that you can't have multiple metals. It will work in a 3D environment because you could have multiple materials on the one model, right? But here I can't really. Well, I can, but it would be complicated. So this makes more sense because the shinier it is, the more narrower the thing is. But in that case, this looks very plastic now. I think it would have to be more red, I think, or something like that. I'm not sure, honestly, anymore. But it looks fine. Because now if I do... Oh wow, but that's really bad. But I guess that makes sense. Oh no, it does make sense because... Yeah. It's not gonna look like this. Because, well, first of all, this is a different technique that I used here. But also, this is not HDR. What the fuck did I use here? Did I use like another map? Interesting. Now, my question is, where did I use the roughness? Did I even use the roughness? I didn't. So I used the other map then. In that case, not the red one. That is... Let's see if that helps, because this looks like ass. This looks really bad. And also, this is useless, this slider. I think. Because if it's off, it just looks like shit. And then if... where is it? If I crank it up, we have all the highlights and stuff. Let's copy this setup that I have here. There's a light. This one. It's height 60. Energy 1. Alright. Where's our energy? 1. Height 60. It's like here or something, but it's very big, so I'm gonna put it here. I think our energy has to be higher though, but it should be okay. Yeah, the issue with this one is that this doesn't have any... Wait, does it? No, it doesn't. Yeah, I don't know. There's something off. I'm not sure what it is. Looks like shit. It looks so bad. I think it's because of the colors as well, and the fact that it's not pixelated. That's also one of the things. Hey, but we got it working, I guess. It's for sure very plastic looking. I wonder if I go in here and I say... Where is it? This one. No, this one. Wait, why is it +1? Did I do that here? Oh yeah, I did. I don't remember why I did that, honestly. Anyways, I wonder if I do times 10 or something. Is that gonna work? Oh yeah. Then it's gonna be sharper, but very ugly looking anyways. Where's the thing that I just put in? What? There it is. That looks so bad. It looks so plasticky. That is funny though. Now I wonder what happens if I do this. Okay, that makes sense. It just strengthens the whole effect. I mean, it doesn't look bad, it just looks very plastic-like, and I don't like it. Like, there's something about it, it just doesn't look correct. But it might just be the resolution or something. Like, if I do... What was it? Linear? No. Oh wait, no, that's not gonna be here. That would be in here. Filter nearest. And then we want to also go here. Okay, that didn't really help, honestly, but it looks less plasticky, I guess. Does it? Nah, not really. I don't know. We'll see, I guess. Well, let's look at the map again. I want to see something real quick. It's this one, right? I wonder if I make everything else... The brighter parts are for sure more like plastic feeling. But I wonder if it's also if it looks like shit because of HDR, because it might be also looking at the wrong colors. So I have to like do um the linear to sRGB conversion myself because it's borked in 4.2. Yippee. We love Godot here. Alright. No, what the fuck? No. Uh, I'll be back soon. I have to piss. I'll be back. Yo, alright. We back. So, first of all, I think it looks very ugly because of the colors. But second of all, I just think that well, there's no ambient occlusion, first of all, so it looks very flat. But also, I think it looks way too dark. Like, I feel like this is the metallicness of an object, not how shiny it is, even though that's kind of what it is. Yeah. I don't know. Mm. Um, let's put it back to linear. Let's put it back to ugly mode. All right, smooth. Yo, that looks so weird. I don't know. It looks so like fucked up for some reason. Anyways, oh yeah, how does a directional light look? That's about right, I would say, yeah. That looks correct. Kind of. Yeah, it's very plastic looking, that's what I hate about it. Oh well. I don't know. I'll have to figure it out. Maybe I'm just using it wrong or something, who knows? Maybe it's too low resolution, actually. Possibly. Hmm. But also, I am very confused because if this is a slider for like how intense the specularity is, then this or shininess is whatever you want to call it. I don't know, this is hard. Hmm. I would have to use a different model, honestly. This like or different texture because this is very hard to do. But I really don't think this is needed, honestly. Like, this doesn't have to be there because, yeah, it just doesn't. I will keep it like this, just so I know, but I really don't think it needs to be there. Because I will not mess with it anyways. It's always going to be 1. I'm pretty sure. So It's probably fine. We'll see. But I do want to, like, this looks good, I think. That's the thing. Like, if I get rid of all of these other ones, and then the shadow as well. Is this one? There we go. This is what it looks like. It looks weird, right? Because we see the backgrounds, but if I get rid of that, where is it? This one. That looks better than whatever the fuck this is. But I think it's because it's colored differently and also uses a different what is it called? Filtering, and also like if I get rid of the, where's the pipe? This, it looks worse, right? Now this one is very bright. There we go. Yeah, now it looks more like it, but ours is more exposed because of HDR. How far away is this? Where's the light? Like 40 pixels, maybe? Where is it? Is this it? Yeah. No, it can't be 40 pixels. That's like here. Oh wait, no, it's not. What? That makes no sense. Oh, because it's scaled, that's why. It might be 40 pixels actually. But then it's almost the same, but I think the filtering does a bunch of stuff, and also the fact that I'm using a different thing, different texture for it and stuff, and also other stuff like ambient occlusion, which we'll do now. I'm back. All right. So let's fix these issues. I'm gonna put it back to, I really don't want to do this, but I'll try to work in nearest for now, and then we'll see how it's gonna go. I wish there was a way to force everything by default, even in the shader, to be like all the samplers to be nearest filtered, but oh well. There we go. Did I forget something? I don't think I did. Because these are already... Yeah. I mean, that still doesn't look good, honestly. I think it's the HDR doing its thing, but also I think it's because I'm using the wrong thing, the wrong texture for the... Where's the fuck is it? This thing. The specular. So if I clear it... Oh wow, that's very bad. I need to fix that specular map. We need the default to be white? No, black, right? And default black. Yes, okay, because, oh, I just spoke Slovak, no, nice, huge. Because we need the, if it was default white, which it is by default, then it looks like shit. So we need default black, and now it's not there anymore. But it still doesn't look the same for some reason. It's like, what the fuck did I do to it? What is happening? Is it because of the world environment stuff? Hold on. No. That can't be right. Also, this could be like black for now. Where is it? What was it called? Transparent color? Or whatever. Background. No, color. Color. Environment, that's what it was. Let's just make it black for now, like totally black. So the same. Clear color, that's what it's called. There we go. Okay, so it was because of the tone mapper. That looks better. Now, the other thing that I need to fix is... I'm not gonna use this tone mapper anyways. I'm probably gonna use Filmic or Aces. The thing is that it doesn't translate colors that well anyway, so they're a bit different than what they should actually be like, because how do I say this? HDR. That's one way to say it. All right. Let's see. Where's my point light? There it is. So let's try going here and then oh yeah, the ambient occlusion stuff, right? I wish I don't know if I want to. Okay, I'll fix that later, but let's do ambient occlusion first because we want to do that. That's a thing that we want to do. Now, we could technically make it reactive, like dynamic, but I kind of don't want to do that, honestly. I really don't. I mean, I could, but I don't know if it's gonna look good. Because it would only look good in light, and if there was no light, then it would look like shit. And I don't know if I want to do that, honestly. So I won't. But we can try anyways, I guess. We can try both and we'll see which one we like. Because it's very easy, we can just do whatever the fuck this is, minus ambient occlusion, which would be sampled. That's not gonna work, is it? No. Or actually, we don't know yet, because we would have to do that. Or get rid of that, I guess. Wait, how did I do ambient occlusion again? I had a function for it, didn't I? Okay, yeah, I did it in the RGB thingy, but there it is. 1 minus whatever times ambient occlusion strength, right? Now, this is a global, right? Do I have that as a global? I hope so. I should be, yeah, I do. Okay. In that case, we can do... Actually, before I do that... Oh, no, that's fine, actually. Minus... Or maybe I... Do I want to make a function for it? I guess I could, because then I can quickly, like, reuse it if I wanted to. So let's make it. Let's do... float, would it be? I think. Yeah. Actually, I'm just gonna copy, because that's fast. That's way faster than just doing it. There we go, ambient occlusion. And then we want... We already have it sampled, so we don't have to do it again. There we go. And then our global is here, yep. And then... we just want to -1 ambient occlusion. I think. Oh yeah, it works for sure. It's not correct, but it does work. What the fuck is going on? What the hell? That is very not correct. Let me check something. Let's get rid of the... Let's get rid of it in the color. And then let's make the vertex, or the fragment function have that. Do I just -1 it? Yeah, I do. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Fair enough. So basically, this whole thing, but do we? Yeah, we have to get rid of the emissive stuff. So it would be this whole thing, actually, minus ambient occlusion, UV, plus whatever what this is. So yeah, that should work. Let's get rid of that. And it does not. Why? Why does it not work? Because of ambient light, maybe? Is that why? No. I guess so, because ambient light isn't a thing in here. So I guess that would be it, wouldn't it? So it would be this minus ambient occlusion UV times blah 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 blah. Still nothing. I'm pretty sure this is correct though. I am like very certain. So let's see. If I do color RGB ambient occlusion UV, what's gonna happen? Nothing. Oh yeah, right, because I'm stupid. 3 ambient occlusion UV. There we go. That explains it. What the fuck is going on? I don't think that's correct. Maybe that's why it doesn't work. Is it because it has to be blue specifically? Okay, that makes no sense, kind of. Not really. It does, but not really. I hate that. But it makes sense now. Yeah, I think so. Hmm. Now, why did I -1 it? Oh yeah, I know why. I remember now. Hmm. This works. That's very bright, Jesus. I think I need to clamp that. That is really bad. Oh my god, that's really bad. Is it? I guess so. Because we would... Okay, this should work though, no? Uh, never mind. I guess it wouldn't. What the fuck is going on? Also, that makes no sense. What? Hold on. What is this? Why is this the other way and then this is the correct way, but then it doesn't display correctly? What the fuck is going on right now? Hold on. Let me check something. If I do just albedo texture sample RGB, yes, and then minus ambient occlusion UV. Now, why the fuck does it look so deep fried? What is happening? Where's my clear color? There we go. All right. Why the fuck does it look so deep fried? I think it's because it's not clamped, but I don't think that's it, honestly. No, I mean, it fixes the uh whatever that is, I guess. It fixes the alpha, but it doesn't fix whatever this is. I don't know how that happened. That is weird. That is very strange. What the fuck is going on? Hmm. I don't get it. Here it's fine, but I don't think that's correct. Oh, no, it is for sure. But why is it so bad? Hold on. If I go here. Or it might be because of how the thing is sampling. That is really bad if that's how that works, though. Because... why is it so... I don't understand what's happening right now. Is it really because of how HDR doesn't like what's happening with the whole thing? It goes to white just fine, but then as soon as I do black, it just dies for some reason. But it looks fine here, so it might be the sampling issue. I hate this. Why am I working with HDR? This is so bad. It's the conversion that is really bad. That's the issue. This is bad. I don't know. HDR is sRGB? Maybe? Why I'm still getting Spanish ads? I have no idea. Why are you? I think. Let me check if this fixes it. What is this? If true clamps exposure, then better than high dynamic range, use more clamping formula. No, that's just doesn't work. Something is really fucked. I bet if I disable HDR, it's gonna look just fine. I wanna see if that's the truth. Where's my window? No. Rendering? Am I dumb? Viewports? There we go. Wow, who could have guessed? Look at that. Oh my god. The conversion is really bad. Also, it still looks like shit for some reason. I hate that so much though. This sucks, honestly. I really want to use HDR because of glow. The issue is that I will have to manually convert every single non-HDR, or when I'm sampling in a shader, I have to convert everything into sRGB. Why? Why is that a thing? I hate that. Look, if I save and restart, if it's not gonna crash while it's doing that. I don't know what it's doing right now. It's actually crashing. That's funny. There we go. That took a while. It still looks like ass. Why? I disabled it. Did I enable it again by clicking something? I did, probably. This is how it's supposed to look like. But now we don't have glow. And that sucks. Look, if we get rid of this, and then it's pretty much the same thing. Yeah. So it is HDR. Sick. Why is it not fixed though? I don't understand. I mean, it is in 4.3, but like, Godot, please. This sucks. Do I actually have to do the manual thing? Like, that's so bad. And I bet the lights now look like correctly, basically, if I put the specular back. Well, okay, maybe not, but that still looks really bad. Why the fuck does it look that bad? I still don't get that. It looks very shiny. Hmm. I mean, it doesn't really matter right now, but the thing is, everything is correctly sampled. That's the most important thing, right? But then this, as soon as I start doing the HDR thing, it just dies. And that sucks a lot, actually. Goddamn. But oh well, I guess we'll have to fix it ourselves. Yippee. I love that. It's so fucked up. Look at it. It's so bad. Actually, I'm gonna leave it at 1 for now. For testing. That is really bad though. Like, you have no idea. It's not great. So I think what I'm gonna do is I will translate everything. Yippee. Fun. But at least we know that the ambient occlusion works. I guess. That's great. It's just very bad, basically. Now, let me see if I need to clamp the whole thing. Or maybe I wouldn't have to. We'll see. Oh, this sucks so bad. This is really bad. Like, I hate this. It's bad. Uh oh well. At least it's gonna be fixed in the next version, I guess, but why is it a problem in the first place? My question. Let's see, HDR Godot 4.2 wrong colors shader. Is this the one? I don't think that's the one that I looked at, but That's not it. There was one specifically for why do you feel like it's so huge? What happened? Wait, hold on. That's not the one that I have in mind. GODOT HDR shader wrong colors. There it is. See, this is exactly what I'm saying. The source color hint is for colors and textures, right? It makes sure the color values are converted to linear when necessary for output spatial shader and canvas shader when 2D HDR is enabled. If your texture is already linear, don't use that flag. But that's not true, because I don't use it and it still does it. Look. It's not there. I don't know. This sucks. Well, actually, let's see. If what they're saying is true, then in that case, I would not be able to have these hints there, no? Wait, that's not true though. Wait, hold on. I'm confused. Hold on. This is just colors, right? Or texture uniform. What? Where? It will be here, no? Source color? Yeah. But if I don't do that, then it's not gonna work. Also, I can't do that on the texture itself, can I? Because look at this. If I quickly so true and real. Look at this shit. If let's get rid of this. I don't need this. Color RGB equals albedo RGB, right? That's the wrong one, this one. Let's get rid of this. All right, so where am I? Here. So technically, if I do this, they would be the same. If I make them bigger though, of course. And they are, right? I think. It looks like it, I'm pretty sure. It looks correct, yeah. Now, let's say that I am doing some kind of like sampling or something. So let's say I want to sample the normal or something, right? That would look like this. Now, let's see what happens if I do that here. Let's do normal map. Or yeah, normal. Or normal map, doesn't really matter. Let's do texture, normal map, UV, RGB. Now, what the fuck am I looking at? Why is it different? Because HDR, that's why. And if I get rid of this, like that, it doesn't change anything. So I don't know what they're talking about. Because source color does change it, but it's not supposed to be like this. This is converting it correctly, but not really. Oh, actually, maybe it is, because if I get rid of this, then it might actually. Hold on. There we go. Okay, yeah. So that's correct. Cool. Great. Epic. Now, issue. Why the fuck does that work like that? Because if that's true, then these don't work. But why? I don't. There's a lot of things that I don't get now. Maybe I'm just misunderstanding everything. Okay, let's do this one. Or, well, I can't really, because I would have to make it a black and white texture, but sure, actually I will. Will I? No, I won't, but that's okay. We can figure it out. No, it's fine actually. Yeah, specular map. Or my bad. Ambient occlusion. That's what it was. Look at this. That's not the same. Why? But if I go here into the ambient occlusion map and delete the hint default, if I'm not gonna be a dumb okay, look. I have to set source color. Why? I know this is converting it if it needs to, but how am I supposed to use this then? I can't. Can I? I'm confused. I'm very confused. I don't know. Also, I'm not convinced that these are one-to-one, but whatever. I don't know, it's gonna mess up a lot of stuff, and I don't like that. Also, I need to check colors if they're actually correctly sampled. Like actual colors, not just samplers. Like Vec 3s and 4s. And I'll need to see, but yeah. Alright, let's see, where is my test thing? Rough specular, that's what it's called. I still need to figure out a way to name that, actually. Again, different colors. Very different. Just because I don't have this set to source color. Because for some reason, I can't use these. Because they don't convert. And that sucks. But maybe this will actually fix my issue, but I need to see colors. That's what I need to see, honestly. Let's change this one to source color as well. This sucks. I don't know. I don't like it. But oh well. Like these ones. The ambient light color and the occlusion, or yeah. I mean, this one is black, but I want to see, you know, if it's Because I... Oh wait, no, I can. What? I didn't know I could do that. Oh. Well, in that case, that fixes that problem. But is that gonna work? I guess so. That's strange. Good to know. I'm learning, I'm learning. I need to open my window though, goddamn. It's right. Oh, it's... Ugh, damn. Dying. Alright. You know, I like shaders, but I also hate them. Let's just say that much. Do I have HDR? Just to see. Yes, I do. Okay. All right. So technically, if I do ambient occlusion UV, oh no, UV GB minus. No, -1. Okay, that looks correct. I think, because if I then do vec3 red 0, green 0, blue 1, and then, yep, that looks the same to me, I think. At least very similar, if not the same. Yeah, that looks correct to me. We're getting somewhere. Oh my god. This took way too long to debug, honestly. I don't like debugging this shit. Alright, let's see if this works. This should still be the same color, yep. So, let's see. That looks somewhat correct. Let's see. I don't know if that's correct, actually. Oh yeah, wait, no, because the emissive map is white. See, this is the thing that I was talking about. I can't do hint black, which would fix the issue because this would happen. Or I don't know if that's because of that, but yeah. Now, can I do... No, I don't think so. How would I... Okay, yeah, that makes sense. That sucks. I don't know how to combat that, honestly. Fuck, that sucks. I have to like redo the whole thing. Okay, let's just pretend that it doesn't exist for now. Let's just duplicate this thing. get rid of that, and then get rid of that. Is that going to work? No. Why? Why is that not going to work? If I get rid of this? Still no. Okay, interesting. That's really bad. Because... why the fuck would that not work? What? That is actually confusing. But this would? No, okay. So I still have to convert shit. Huge. Well, that's stupid. That's very stupid. So if I do want to do some kind of subtraction or like whatever, it's going to give me different results. Fun. This is pain. So even when whatever I did was fixed, it's still not fixed because it will give me different results. That's great. Love to see that. Hmm. I don't know, this sucks. This sucks real bad. I hate it. I hate it here. I thought I had it. God damn it. It just doesn't work. No. Now, but why though? Because if I do just RGB and then I do albedo texture sampled RGB, that works. Yes. Now, if I do -1 or a -0.5 or something, that should not be black. That should be gray. That's the issue that I'm having right now. I don't know. I don't know what to do because right now my biggest issue is that because all of these are like different in HDR, everything just it's not great, honestly. Oh my god, that is so bad. That is actually so bad. That is actually so bad. No, that's not gonna help it. I actually have to like convert it. I don't know. This sucks. Just because of HDR. Really? Do I want to do this just because of HDR? Oh my god. Do I? Now, okay, maybe it's not that bad, because maybe all of this is fine, all the light stuff, and the only issue would be this. But I don't know how it's gonna be with the other shaders. I can try. Okay, this sucks though, because I have to first convert to this to linear, then do the calculation, and then convert it back. That is so bad. Do I have to? And I will have to do that for everything, pretty much. I think. That sucks. I don't know if I want to do that. Now, let me check if I can find the GitHub thing that I was talking about. Let me see. I don't know where I found it last time I looked, but it was a issue. Is it this one? No. This one? Yes, it was this one. This was exactly what it was. And the issue was color. This sucks. Yo, Etika, how's it going? I'm in pain right now. Oh, why am I doing this to myself? This is so stupid. 2.5 hours. That's not bad. I went 5.5 a few days ago. It's just suffering at this point, honestly. I'm not having fun, let's just say that much. I'm trying to fix the fucking color conversion dog shit that they have going on. Okay. It says look at this shit. It's merged, right? Look at this. But this is specifically for colors, no? Separate uniform buffer. Okay, but this is specifically. I think this is specifically just for, or maybe it is, I don't know. I don't know if this is just for colors. No, that's a texture, for sure. See, now he's not using the source color thing. Oh, but now he is, what? And it's still not correct. So it's the problem for passing texture with passing a color, and then it's with passing a color, and then the issue is occur despite source color hint. Okay, so I will still have the issue because for colors specifically, it's fucked up. For textures, is not, as long as I use source color. The issue with that is that every single calculation I do is still going to, like, it's still going to work differently. Because subtraction works very different in RGB or linear to and from linear and then sRGB. So that sucks. I don't know. It's really bad because now what? Like, I don't know what to do. I don't know. Like, even when I go to the new version to 4.3, my issue will still not be solved because I will still have to do calculations no matter what. And I'll still have this problem because I would not have this problem right now if it wasn't, you know. Was that a VR sample? That's funny. I've never heard that. Anyways. I was saying, this sucks. I don't want to, like, every single time I want to do, like, a minus or something, I don't want to make a conversion. That's so dumb. There has to be a way, right? HDR, shader, subtraction? That's lighting. I don't care. I want the shading stuff. Yeah, this is exactly what is going on. Using the subtraction in such RGB space will give different results to linear space. That sucks. That sucks really bad. How am I supposed to do that then? Godot, HDR, shader, operations. I don't even know what to search for, honestly, because if there is a fix for this, I don't even know if there is something that I'm looking for. The only thing that I could find is this, and it makes sense, but I really don't want to, like, convert shit every single time I want to, like, do some kind of operation. That just sounds dumb. I don't know. It seems like there has to be a better way to do this, and I'm just missing it. But if there is, that I don't know what it is. I guess I can ask someone, but, like, I don't know. Let me see if I can quickly check shaders in the Godot thing, or is it shaders and VFX? There we go. I'm gonna show you something more interesting to look at while I type on Discord. It's not even that interesting, but still. So my issue is that if I do this, that is gonna shit itself, right? Yeah. And that's not how that should look like at all. Um, hmm. Yeah, that is... If I get rid of this, it will look better, but it's not correct. That's the thing. Okay. Let's see. Oh, whoops. Um, what was it called? You can't see it, but I'm typing like a whole essay just to figure this out. Okay, now I have to send a bit of my code so they can actually see what's happening. My bad. Okay, let's just do this. All right. Let's delete some things that we don't need. You don't see it, but that's okay. All right. Let's take pictures as well. How it should look and how it does actually look. So let's disable HDR. Actually, let's get the editor in first, save it. HDR to the goodbye, save. Let's take a picture. The left one, and then we need to go back, HDR enable, save and restart. Wow, I love this so much, goddamn. I'm enjoying this. This is Bane! Right. Boom. Let's do that. Copy, paste. All right. All right. Applies an ambient inclusion to the to the texture. If I do it without HDR, it looks correct, but as soon as I do it with HDR, everything looks deep fried. Is there a way to do this operations without converting everything all the time? Converting everything. What? Why can I not scroll? There we go. Is there a way to do these operations without converting from and to sRGB? Converting everything from and to sRGB all the time. There we go. Save. Okay. I don't know. I'm not sure what to do about it, so I just asked. Because I don't know what to do. It sucks. I don't like it. I hate it so much. Like, this is only because I want to use glow. That's it. And that pisses me off so much because it adds a lot and it hides a lot of the imperfections. You can have color, or you can have light that shines and actually glows and whatever. When it's very bright, it looks actually bright and stuff like that. But I can't. I can't have that, apparently. because everything I do looks like shit because of conversion. And I hate that. It sucks. I don't know. And I thought this would fix it because this technically, you know, does whatever. This fixes the issue that I had before when it didn't sample correctly, but introduced other issues like the fact that I can't. Actually, I'm gonna see something. Okay, maybe hold on. Let's see. Where's my let me check something real quick. Well, I don't know which one it was, but I'm gonna do default black. Is that gonna work? Okay, so at least I figured out one thing, and that is that you can have multiple things. So if I do just the... let's see. If I do just like vec3 ambient occlusion UV, where is it? Okay, if I get rid of that now, so if I do clear, that's not correct. It would, well, actually, is it? I don't remember. Let's see. Okay, that is correct. But let's say I wanted to have a black texture by default. Can I do that? Yes, okay. That's good at least. What if I do default white? That is actually, that works, I guess. What if I put this back? That also appears to work. Okay, at least that's something. Okay, that's good. But the thing that is still not good is the fact that it sucks balls and still doesn't do what I wanted to do because of conversion stuff. So I'm gonna go piss. I'll be back. Yo, it's me once again. Alright, it's time to do research. Two phallic black texture. Real. I don't know what that means, but real. Let's do, instead of Godot HDR shader operations, let's just do HDR shader operations. Let's do that. How does that work? I'm very scared to search shader mods, actually. That can be anything. Let's do, you know what? Let's do Unity HDR shader operations. How about that? Is that gonna work? Let's see. Oh wait, but that's okay. GLSL HDR shader operations. I don't know. Okay, let's do specifically subtraction. GLSL HDR or a sRGB subtraction. Nothing? I'm back from pissing, yes. That is true and real. Do I actually have to convert shit and then convert them back? There's no way that I have to do that. There's no way. Why didn't I take you with me? I don't know, you didn't ask. Next time when you ask, I'll think about it, you know? There's no way no one has ever had, like, there has to be someone who at least once did a shader with I know exactly where the sample is from, and I hate that. Okay, let's do Godot HDR shader subtraction or sRGB subtraction. Oops, there we go. Why is there so many pop-ups? Okay. And 2D HDR isn't used by default. Texture will be operated as non-sRGB if they're not detected to be used in 3D. And 3D HDR is used by default. 3D combat detector almost compression will look at the bindless textures. sRGB conversion is not done directly when rendering the texture rather than importing the solids used with same texture. Right. Cool. But I don't care about that. That's very old. Give me latest or stable. But this is lighting. I don't know if I need lighting. Yeah, this is how I feel right now. This music is like fitting. This is like what's happening in my brain. Why am I doing this just because I want shit to glow? This sucks. I hate it. Why is there no guide for this or anything like that? No one has ever done this. You're trying to tell me that no one has ever done this before ever in their life. There is no way. There's no way. Enable a sRGB conversion in the current. Okay. I don't know if that's gonna work, honestly. Where the fuck would that be? I don't even know where to look. Where is that? In the current environment. sRGB display linear. I don't even have that. What is it? What is it yapping about? We're supposed to get jump scared by a missing. Oh, by a missing semicolon. Yes, that is very true and real. What the fuck? I hate this. Okay, sRGB. No? Okay, linear. No? Nothing? Is this just for fun? I'm not having fun. I am not having fun. I am dying inside. What the fuck? This is so bad. This is so shit, and I hate it. I hate it so much. Make music? No. I refuse. Okay. Well, let me check something. Where the fuck did I where is it trying to like I'm not kidding. It says after the blah 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 to do this enable sRGB conversion into current environment. All right. HDR settings can be found in the environment resource. Right? Cool. And then I go there and it's not there. It's actually trolling me. This is not cool. I hate this so much. What do you mean it's there? No, it's not. There's nothing actually like what is happening right now? What is happening? I'm going insane. Oh my god, why? Just let me do my thing. Why does it have to, you know? Like why does it have to be this complicated? Why is there there's no resource on sRGB HDR thing shading thing? Look, Godot sRGB shader, right? Let's see. What is this? It's a issue. How much? How okay, 2019. This is probably not gonna be. Yeah, like there's nothing. There's absolutely nothing. Yeah, this sucks. I don't know. All right, I want to see if in this one, this is very old though. That's the thing. If let's go to shaders, and we want 2D glow. Is that what? Is that the one? Hmm. I don't know what this is. Let's see. That has a glowing effect built into the pixel data itself. See, this is exactly what I don't want, because this is not glow. That's not even using HDR or anything. I don't know what to do. Like, I'm actually lost. And there's no one talking about it. What is this? This is just 2D, but without any HDR, no? Yeah. Again, this is all in... This is not sRGB. This is all linear, I'm pretty sure. Let me see something. If I go to shaders, what is the shading reference? Oh, okay. Let's see if I can find the source. No? Okay, what about... Really? No source color? Where am I looking at then? Later. Let me check something. Okay. Does it say... Yes, it does. There we go. It's important to understand that textures are supplied as color-required hints for proper sRGB to linear conversion. Renders in linear color space. Yes. The issue is... The 2D renders is also in the render and if you per HDR project settings is enabled, so source color must be used in canvas item shaders. Right. But the issue isn't that, I mean, this we learned, I learned, right? I understand that now I have to do source color to be able to have the conversion, but the issue now is not the actual conversion, but operations, because subtraction, for example, works differently in linear color space than sRGB. And that's my issue. That's the thing that I don't know what to do about. Hello, I'm dying inside. I hope you're doing well though. I'm actually like... I want to jump under a bridge or under a train right now. In the game, Twitch, in the game, of course. Yeah, that would probably work as well, but it's not gonna fix my issue. God damn it. I don't know what to do anymore. I've been trying to fix this shit for like 2 hours and I can't. Like, probably more than 2 hours at this point. I just don't know what to do anymore because there's no... I think I'm understanding it incorrectly, but I don't know what to do because there is nothing on the internet about it. And the arcade, what does that even mean? Oh yeah, true. I should. I mean, shaders are kind of magical, I guess. So yes, but sometimes I am dying. I don't know. I don't know what to do. Like, the issue that I'm having is that subtraction is just not a thing. Like, how am I supposed to minus something? I don't know. Nice. Well, enjoy me dying inside because that's what's been happening the whole time. I just don't know what to do, honestly. Like I have no clue anymore. I don't know. Like hey, thanks. And I even asked on Discords if someone would know, but I don't think anyone is gonna reply to me. And if they will, it's probably gonna take a while. But there's no way no one ever made a game using HDR in Godot and with shaders that have subtraction with colors. There's no way no one has ever done that before, right? But I can't find anything on the internet about it, like literally nothing. I guess I can find. I guess I can check Godot for forum or whatever it's called. Yeah, this thing. So if I do 2D and then let's search. Yeah, same. All the time. sRGB. Let's just do that. All right, what is this? Oh, damn. This is some UVs or something. What is happening here?
Pee poo poo. Hope that made you feel a bit better.
Sure. Uh, I don't know. It's so bad now. It's like I've been trying to do this shit for like more than 2 hours, and I know what the issue is. I just don't know how to solve it. Like, and there's absolutely nothing on the internet about it. And I am like, there's no way that no one has ever done that before. Like, there has to be someone. I can't be the only one on the whole planet that has done this specific thing. So that's why I'm like baffled that there's nothing, you know? And I've been trying to just, I don't know. I'm trying to do this. Wait, what is texel fetch? What? Huh? What is happening? Are they doing some sort of minus plus whatever? No, they're using a mission in 3D, which we don't have. Unless... No, I'm pretty sure we don't. Pixels if you need. Texture using UV coordinates. Oh, okay. This is just specifically for a pixel, and this is the whole thing based on a UV. Mm-hmm. Right. But I don't see any... I don't see any. I don't know. The closest is this one. This is exactly what I am having issues with. But the thing that this person is telling them is that, oh yeah, like it makes sense because doing an operator like a subtraction is different in sRGB than RGB or linear, right? I understand that, but then do I literally have to convert every single thing? There's no way that's what I'm supposed to do. There's no way, right? This is the closest that I can get to something, but like that would mean that I would have to do that for every single thing, and I really don't want to do that. It's the same thing, yeah. Oh my god, why? Why is this happening? Okay. HDR subtract or something. I don't know. Let's see. What is this? Oh, this is just how to do glow and like that, but I don't care about that. I really don't. Shader HDR. Nothing? Okay, a shader sRGB. This is the same thing. Yeah. don't think that's even a thing anymore. Check. No. I don't know. I'm I don't know. I don't know what to do anymore. I am lost. And all of this just because I want stuff to glow. Really. Really good though, really. That's so fun. Like, what? That's the dumbest shit I've ever had to deal with in an engine. Any engine. I've used Unity, I've used Unreal, I've used, like, I don't know, Sketch or whatever it was called, Scratch. No, I've used a lot of other stuff, but like, still, it's like, what is this? Like, why can I? I don't get it. I don't understand. Like, if I did this shit in Unreal, it would work fine without any issues. The same math, everything. This is just confusing, honestly. This is just extremely confusing. I just don't understand. It's just a converter, but there's no way I have to convert everything. There's so many things that I will have to convert. That's not correct. There's no way. I don't believe that. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. It's my head is exploding. I can't. It's so dumb. What is happening? The same thing that has been happening since 2 hours ago or more. It's just that the thing that I'm trying to do, it doesn't work because conversion or something. Like, it looks fucking deep fried. Look at this shit. What is that? It's not supposed to look like that. And I can't find a solution to what my issue is. I mean, this is a solution, but the solution is that, like, I have to convert everything all the time and then convert it back and blah blah blah. And it's like dumb. I don't think that's how that's supposed to work, because there's no way that, like, I don't believe that this is the solution to the issue that I'm having. And the worst thing is that I wouldn't even have this issue in the first place if I wasn't using HDR. And the only reason I am using HDR is so I can have shit glowing, because without HDR you don't have glow. Like, that's the whole reason why I don't use HDR, or that I use HDR, so I can have stuff glow. That's it. Like, there's no other reason that I'm doing that. Because let's say there's this star that I have, right? This glows, like you can see that it glows, right? I would not be able to have this. Like, this would not glow at all. I can show you. Let's check HDR. Get rid of that. This is how it would look like normally. You can see it's very not bright looking because that's how it works. Yeah. So if I want stuff to glow, I have to have HDR on, or I can fake it, but faking it is hard. It's difficult because you're trying to recreate the exact same effect that the glow has, basically. And that's not possible in some situations because you need a way bigger space than whatever you're doing actually is. And this way you don't have to do that because it's a screen thing. What is it called? A screen effect, right? Glow is basically just a screen post-process effect or whatever. Post-process effect. But because I have that enabled, now there are issues because every single color is not from 0 to 1 anymore, or 0 to 255 or whatever, but it can go beyond that, and that's what HDR is, right? But that uses sRGB, which is something different from linear RGB, like linear color, which means stuff like minus and plus looks awful. Like, it does different things because it's a different color space. So that's why it looks so ass. That's why it looks like this instead of what it actually is supposed to look like, because a minus works differently in sRGB. And one solution is to first convert whatever I'm doing into the linear space, then do the calculation, and then convert it back. But what if I have to do that a lot? Because I will have to do that a lot, you know? Then there's an issue of, you know, doing it a lot. So, yippee. Fun. I love to see it. Like, let's see this one, for example, this star one. There's a lot of plus and minuses, right? And all of this is going to, well, actually, I don't know if it's going to be all of it, but most of it is going to not be calculated correctly because it's a different color space. And I would have to probably convert every single one of those. And I don't want to do that because that sounds stupid. I will probably have to do that if I want to use this, but that just sounds dumb in my opinion. Like, there is no way that this is the solution, and I've been saying this for 2 hours straight because I don't believe it. Like, there has to be a better way than to translate every single thing into linear and then back, or the other way around, whatever, right? Like, yeah, I don't know. Yeah. convert linear to sRGB before doing the difference, and then back to linear, which sucks. It just does. It's just bad. Now, one thing that I could do is to when getting the texture or whatever, I would not convert it, but then it would look off, like the colors would be bad. So like no matter what I do, it just doesn't work. And I'm going insane. I'm actually like, I can't anymore. It's too much. I'm not making any progress, that's the thing. Like I've been trying to fix this for so long and I didn't get anywhere except learn that this converts shit and that's it. Like I didn't. It's so bad. It's so bad. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking about this wrong. Maybe, I don't know. But there's nothing that can teach me, apparently, because I can't find anything. Literally, nothing on the internet talks about this. Nothing. Except that one post that I have here. And then some bugs that they have with colors. And that's it. Just because I want something to glow. That's insane. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, this is the thing that I was talking about. This is like how to fake it, right? Just to put a thing behind it, which does look like it's glowing, and it would tell the look of it. But the issue is that that requires what is it called? More space on 2D. So like imagine this. There's this and I want this to glow, then that would take up more space, which would mean that I would have to expand the whole thing. Right. And then depending how big the glow would be, that's how I would expand it, right? But like I don't know. I'm losing it. I'm actually losing it. I don't know. I think I'm gonna end it today. I can't. I'm going insane. I'm actually going insane. I'll think about it. Maybe I'm gonna fake it. Maybe I won't. I don't know. It sucks. I am just not a big fan of this at all. It's just really bad. It's really bad. I've spent too much time on this. I do not feel productive. That was the dumbest shit I've ever had to do. Okay, who do we do a funny? Sure. Let's see. All right. Thanks everyone for hanging out. I'm gonna end it because I am actually going insane, and if I don't stop now, then it's gonna be really bad. I will stream next time when I think about how all of this is gonna work. Yeah, we'll see. So, yeah. Anyways, I guess I'll see you next time, whenever that's gonna be. So, yeah. Goodbye, I guess.